everyone! Welcome to my house! It's such a sunny day! Today, Milo the mouse will explore the house and learn the names of...
Ooh, this room is so big! What's that soft thing?
That's a sofa, Milo.
That's the TV in our house! You're in the kitchen, Milo. That big silver
one is a microwave. It makes food hot.
That's the refrigerator. It keeps things cold.
Let's see what we learned today. That's a sofa. Sofa. That's a TV. TV. That's a microwave. Microwave. That's a refrigerator. Fridge.
Thanks for watching. And if you love our video, then please like and subscribe.